Thanks for meeting us here at the job site. We're going to show you how quick and easy it is to install ClosetMaid. Now, we're going to demonstrate how to install various types of shelving and how to install ClosetMaid hardware. We'll show you how using the ClosetMaid installation template will speed up the installation and improve the quality of the job versus conventional installation methods. Let's go inside, and my partner and I will give you some inside tips that'll really reduce installation time. You'll see how easy it is. ClosetMaid makes several kinds of shelving, and each type is available in various depths to fit different jobs. Let me show you the different styles.
Let's start with linen shelving. Now, it's perfect for all general storage and comes in 6, 9, 12, 16, and 20-inch depths. Shelf and rod shelving is designed for closets and areas with hanging garments and comes in 10, 12, and 16-inch depths. Close mesh shelving is great for closet and pantry applications because it keeps small items from tipping over. Now, it comes in 12, 16, and 20-inch depths. ClosetMaid's newest shelving is called Super Slide. Now, it's designed for all hanging situations and allows hangers to move smoothly from left to right without interruption. It's available in 12 and 16-inch depths. Then there are specialty shelves like this new Z-Lip to be used with ClosetMaid's heavy-duty standards and brackets program called Shelf Track. There's also a new 12 and 16-inch heavy-duty shelf designed for all types of applications.
Once you're familiar with the different kinds of shelving, it's important to know about the hardware needed to install them.
Let's start with the end brackets. Now, they're installed on side walls of closets to support ends of shelves. Wall clips provide support for the back of the shelf and are used every 12 inches. Down clips, they're used behind the shelves in conjunction with support brackets to increase strength. Now, support brackets support the fronts of the shelves, and you use these every 24 inches to a maximum of 36 inches. Anchors are used to secure support brackets to the back wall.
The end brackets, wall and down clips, and anchors all feature the new Lightning hardware. Now, ClosetMaid designed Lightning hardware especially for the installing dealer, making it, as the name says, lightning fast and easy to install.
Lightning hardware comes preloaded with a special pin that just pushes into the wall. You can also order the hardware without the pin preloaded and insert them yourself. A special push tool is used to install the new Lightning hardware, which will enable you to set the hardware in half the time. Now, we'll tell you more about that when we start our installation. Now, other hardware, such as end caps, are used to cover the ends of exposed rods of shelving. These give each shelf a clean, finished end. Support poles are used to support multiple shelves. Now, they're to be spaced 24 to a maximum of 36 inches apart. Shoe supports, well, they allow you to turn linen shelving into shoe organizers. And the pole clips come in 0 gauge for shelf and rod shelving and 4 gauge for linen shelving. For Super Slide shelving, use Super Slide end brackets to support the ends of the Super Slide shelves and hang rods on the side walls of a closet. These J-hooks support hang rods on Super Slide shelves. And the 740 bracket is used on the open end of Super Slide shelves.
Now, I know that seems like an awful lot of product to get to know, but as we start to install it, I think you'll see how it all comes together. The most important part of prepping for your installation is measurement. Now, accurate wall measurement should be made. It'll be helpful to take some notes. Now, sketches and layouts of each storage area will speed up and simplify the cutting process. Be sure to measure the width, the height, and the depth of each closet. Did you get that, Mark? ClosetMaid will provide estimate sheets so you can make easy and accurate measurements. Now, with reach-in closets, be sure to check the depth of the closet and the width between the two sidewalls to be sure there's adequate space to install end brackets. Closets that'll be used to hang clothes should have a minimum clearance of 24 inches from the back of the closet so hangers don't hit the closet door. Now, once you have your measurements in your hand, you're ready to cut the shelving. Great. The best and fastest way to cut shelves to length is with 30-inch bolt cutters. Make sure to cut between the deck wires and leave a long enough end to put on an end cap. ClosetMaid also makes a pneumatic cutting table, which is available to installing dealers. Now, since ClosetMaid shelves mount 3 ways, wall to wall, wall to open, and open to open, there are a couple of things to remember when cutting the shelves. For wall-to-wall installation, shelves should be cut 1/2 inch to 1 3/8 inch less than the inside closet width. Now, because of the deck wires, ClosetMaid shelving is always cut on even inch increments. Well, for example, if you measure the closet at 80.5 inches wide, you'd cut the shelving at 80 inches. Now, when cutting shelves that will be supported by poles, make sure the shelves overlap the pole by 1 inch in order to snap on the pole to the front of the shelves. Now remember to cap all exposed rods with end caps. Now that our shelving is cut, we're ready to drill out our closet. All Lightning hardware requires 1/4 inch holes. Well, ClosetMaid has created 3 great installation templates. Now, they'll do most of the measuring work for you. These templates make it quick and easy to install shelves without ever having to draw lines on the walls or measure for hardware placement. The 3 professional installation templates are the 90-37 for all 12 and 16 inch shelves, the 90-38 for all 9 and 20 inch shelves, and the 96-80 compact template for all small space installations like under stairs. Now the 90-37 is our most used template. Let's take a closer look at how it works. The 84 inches is for double hang and upper storage. It has a 1 inch adjustable leg. There are 2 holes together at each height for end brackets. 70 inches is for long hanging garments. Now it also features an adjustable arm. Arm down is for 12 inch shelves. Arm extended is for 16 inch shelves when drilling for end brackets. There are also built-in levels for horizontal and vertical. 42 inches is for double hanging garments. Notice the 2-way adjustable handle. There are 14 inch increments for all stack shelving, and there's even a cutout for baseboards.
This is the closet configuration we'll be installing. Now that we've already cut the shelves for this closet, we're ready to drill. Set the adjustable leg to the last hole fully extended. And since this is 12 inch shelving, we'll install with the template arms down. Now make a light mark on the wall where the shelf end stops. Start in the left corner side wall of the closet, and with a 1/4 inch bit, drill the top 2 outside holes for the end brackets at the 84 inch height, and the 2 end bracket holes at 42 inch height. Move the template to the back wall of the closet, starting about 2 inches from the corner. Now drill 1 hole at the 84 inch mark on the left side of the template, and 1 hole on the right side of the template. Repeat this at the 42 inch height. Now move the template approximately 12 inches and repeat the process, working across the closet. At the center stack area, start at the top and work your way down, drilling holes for all shelves. Move the template and repeat the process. Continue across the closet, drilling 84 and 70 inch heights. Following the same procedure, drill end bracket holes at 84 and 70 inch heights. Now insert wall clips into the holes on the back wall and end brackets into the holes on the side walls. Be sure to push pins in with the push tool. For hardware at the 84 inch height, put the tool on the pin and tap the tool with a lightweight hammer.
Easy. Remember, you don't have to hit it very hard. The hardware is designed to push in.
Now we just snap the long hang and double hang shelves into the wall clips and lower into the end brackets. Next, we snap the poles on the front of the shelves. Now snap the stack shelves into the pole clips and then into the wall clips. To save installation time, we made our poles at the shop. On a flat surface, lay poles and mark heights for desired shelves. Place clip-on pole and secure with 1/2 inch self-tapping screws. The poles are made of aluminum, so they drill easy. Place pole caps on each end of pole.
Now, if you want to add a shoe rack, all you have to do is place a shelf on the floor with the lip edge down. Drill between deck wires every 12 inches. Install wall clips. Install shoe rack brackets every 36 inches and snap in shelves. It's that easy. Okay, what we just did would be referred to as an S&R 12-inch reach-in installation. Now let's go to a walk-in closet. This time, we'll be installing the new Super Slide shelving.
First, we start by drilling all holes, just like we did in the S&R 12-inch installation. And with this closet, we're installing the Super Slide end bracket where the hang rod will run to the side wall. Note that the end bracket is at the 12-inch mark on 16-inch shelves when a hang rod is used. We use the standard end bracket where the shelf only meets the side wall. Install all wall clips and end brackets. Next, we snap in all the shelves. Then install the support brackets or poles. Support should be placed every 24 to a maximum of 36 inches. Place the support bracket on the deck wire. Drill through hole and insert anchor and push pin. Use the corner support brackets where the shelves butt to each other in the corners. This will align both shelves at the recommended space and height, and it'll add strength to the corner. Now we want to install a down clip behind each support bracket. Drill hole directly under the back rod of the shelf. Insert clip and push pin. Now this down clip adds strength to the shelf by not letting the shelf pull forward. Next, we can snap on the J brackets every 24 to 32 inches apart. For heavy loads, no more than 24 inches apart. You can see that the bracket is a 12-inch on the 16-inch shelf, so hangers won't hit on the closet door of reach-in closets.
Now let's snap in the corner rounder bars. This lets the hanger slide smoothly all the way around the corner. You'll need to measure the tubing lengths and cut it with a pipe cutter or a hacksaw. If you want to pre-cut your tubing in your shop, cut the tubes the same length as the shelves for straight shelf installations.
Place external cap on the tube ends that fits into the end bracket. If you want to make the smaller pieces of hang rod longer, just use the hang rod connectors to join the smaller pieces together. Place the tube on the corner rounder and snap into place. Remember, the joint should always be supported by the J-hook. Do this for all hang rods. Now you can stop the rod at any point. It doesn't need to run through the center stack, thus making a cleaner installation. At an open end, use the 740 bracket next to the support bracket and place it on the pole cap.
And by the way, the 740 can also be used to support vertical poles. That's it, as simple as can be.
Walk-in closets are a terrific opportunity to add accessories like drawer units, tie-in belt racks, and baskets.
It's also a great place to introduce some of the beautiful upgrade items like wood fronts that screw right onto the back of the Super Slide shelving. I'm telling you, it really finishes off the edge of the shelf, and my customers, they love this look. Okay, now let's move on to another area of the home, the kitchen. This is a 3-foot wide pantry area, and we're going to install close mesh shelving at a 16-inch depth.
First, let's extend the template arm for 16-inch shelves. Place it in the corner and drill all end bracket holes, 5 shelves, starting at 70 inches. On the back wall, start 2 inches in. Drill inside and outside holes. Move the template and drill the next 2 holes. And do this for all of the holes. Now place it in the corner and drill all end bracket holes. Insert wall clips into the holes in the back wall and end brackets into the holes on the side walls and push the pins. If you hit a stud, keep your push tool in position and continue to drive the pin with your hammer. Now, simply snap in all the shelves.
Now that wasn't too difficult, was it? Now let's do another pantry installation using the new Shelf Track standards and brackets. With standards and brackets, we begin by installing the special hangrail. Note, this hangrail is not required as part of the installation. You can still mount the standards directly to studs or to drywall using toggle bolts. But the track helps ensure your standards are evenly spaced, making a cleaner installation. The track does require less installation than standard mounting, speeding up the installation process.
First, we install the hangrail to the studs, approximately 12 inches from the top of the closet. Use anchors and holes that don't hit studs. Then we place these adapters on the standards and hang from the track. Set the standards approximately 24 inches apart. Next, just put in the brackets at the desired heights and snap in the shelves. To keep the units from swinging, put a screw in the last hole of each standard. The special Z-lip shelves can also be used for heavy-duty installations. They're easy to install since they snap right into the bracket like this. The 12 and 16-inch brackets hold all 12 and 16-inch shelving and are designed to lock shelves in place for maximum stability.
I also find these standards and brackets to be perfect for almost any room or closet in the house where storage is the primary use. The new heavy-duty shelving that's available can be used with standards and brackets in other storage areas and garages to support more weight. Speaking of the garage, let's take a minute to look at a standard garage installation.
The installation process is still the same in the garage. It'll probably be an open-to-open installation. There are different clip attachments for use in the garage. The new heavy-duty shelving is really perfect for a garage installation. The only snag you might encounter in a garage installation is in the walls. Now, here's a few tips. For stud mounting, drill your hole 1 inch deep and insert the clip. Place the push tool on the pin and hammer in until set. You can also drill a 1 inch hole and set the hardware with the 1 inch screw or cut the anchor off the back of the clip and secure using a 1 1/4 inch screw. If you're installing into a concrete block, drill a 1 inch deep hole with a masonry bit, then secure with a 1 inch number 8 screw. For heavy-duty installations, use the new metal clip. You can attach it to studs or use anchors for concrete.
Now I know you're thinking, what if I make a mistake and need to move an anchor or clip? No problem. Just use the push tool. Put the edge of the tool under the lip of the pin and simply pry the pin out of the clip or anchor. Well, there you have it. All the basics for installing ClosetMaid shelving. You know, it's really one of the quickest and easiest installation methods around, which means you can complete more jobs in less time and make more money. So if you're not already installing ClosetMaid wire shelving products, start today. Give them a call at 1-800-874-0008 and they'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. Believe me, ClosetMaid's great product line and support network have really had a positive impact on my business's bottom line. Gotta get back to work.